Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. And sorry for my voice because I got flu, so it's really bad, and my voice is bad today. And yes, in this video we will talk about CRMLS. So I am on go.crmls.org solutions page. As you see, it's a white page and white and blue page, and on the top of the page you see three buttons. They are brokers, open CRM, about CRMLS, and MLS dashboard login. So firstly, let's talk about brokers button menu. So if I click the brokers, there is a new page here, and you can see brokers, and the current brokers are Art Carter, and so you can see current market states here. And the second thing is about CRMLS page. Yes, as you see, this company uh, is the nation's largest and most recognized subscriber-based multiple listing service. So they are dedicated to serving more than 110,000 real estate professionals from 41 associations, boards, and MLS organizations. So, and let's talk about the MLS dashboard login. And if you click it, there is a new tab opens. So sorry for my slow net. Yes, there is a login page, and it's really easy to use. You need to enter user ID, and you need to enter your password. So then you can click login button, and if you forget your password, you need to click forget password button here. So I think it's really easy to use page. So I think there is nothing to say about more thing. Okay, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and make your comments my videos. See you, bye.